Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, July 1, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hi, David. I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kickstart my day. Got a lot on my plate.
Same here. I've got a big meeting this morning.
Oh, meetings. Always a blast. Hey, did you hear about those new trade rules in Europe?
Yeah, I saw something about it. What's the story?
They're setting up new rules to help small businesses. It's all about making trade easier with other countries.
That sounds like a good move. Small businesses really need a boost.
Totally. I'm thinking it might help us get more clients over there.
Could be. It might open up new projects for our team too.
Fingers crossed. More clients mean more sales and maybe a bigger bonus.
We can dream. Do you think these rules will start soon?
I hope so. In sales, we need quick results to keep things moving.
True. It'll be interesting to see how fast they roll this out.
Yeah, let's keep an eye on it. Could be a game changer for us.
For sure. It's nice to see Europe focusing on smaller companies.
Exactly. Hey, speaking of game changers, did you hear about that new app from the big tech company?
No, which one? Tell me more.
It's a work app. It helps with tasks and schedules, keeps everything in one spot.
Oh, that sounds handy. We could use better tools for managing projects.
Right? I'm downloading it today to see if it helps me stay on top of things.
Good luck with that. Does it connect with our office systems?
I think it does. They say it works with most tools we already use.
That's great. It could save us a lot of time on planning.
Time is money, you know? Anything that makes work easier is a win for me.
Same here. I'll check it out after my meeting today.
Cool. Let me know what you think. I'm curious if it's as good as they say.
Will do. I'm always looking for ways to organize my team better.
Yeah, organization is key. If this app works, it might even cut down on my stress.
Wouldn't that be nice? I could use less stress too.
Tell me about it. Hey, on a lighter note, did you hear about that huge music event?
No? What's going on? Fill me in?
It's a massive concert in a big city abroad. Like 5 or 6 famous stars are performing.
Wow, that sounds incredible. Who's on the lineup?
I'm not sure of all the names, but it's all over the news. Big stars.
That's exciting. I miss going to live concerts so much.
Same here. Imagine taking a day off just to fly there and see it.
That would be a dream. Maybe one day we can do something like that.
Let's make a deal. If my sales numbers go up, we plan a trip together.
Deal. It's nice to think about fun stuff outside of work.
For sure. Work hard, play hard, right?
Exactly. It gives us something to look forward to.
Totally. A little motivation never hurts.
Nope. Hey, how's your week looking so far?
Pretty packed. I've got 3 client calls before lunch.
Busy as always. I've got 2 reports to finish after my meeting.
Oh, reports? I'd rather stick to talking with clients.
Haha, I get it. Reports can be a drag sometimes.
Big time. How do you stay focused on them?
I just break them into small parts. Makes it less boring.
Smart. I might try that with my emails.
Worth a shot. Small steps make big tasks easier.
True. Hey, did you get that new client list yet?
Not yet. I'll check with the team later today.
Cool, let me know. I need it for a pitch I'm working on.
No problem. I'll send it over as soon as I have it.
Thanks, you're the best. Saves me a lot of hassle.
Happy to help. Teamwork makes the dream work, right?
Ha, for sure. We've got a good team here.
We do. It makes busy days a bit easier.
Yep. Hey, how's that project you're managing going?
It's coming along. We're on track, but there's still a lot to do.
Sounds like a challenge. You've got this, though.
Thanks. I just need to keep everyone focused.
You're good at that. I've seen how you handle things.
Appreciate it. How about your sales targets this month?
Getting there. I'm pushing hard to close a few deals.
Nice. I'm rooting for you to hit those numbers.
Thanks. A little extra coffee might help me get there.
Coffee is the secret weapon. I rely on it too.
This machine is my best friend. Can't start the day without it.
Same. It's the only way to survive early mornings.
For sure. Hey, are you joining the team lunch later this week?
I'm planning to. It'll be nice to relax a bit.
Yeah. A break with the team sounds good, I'm into.
Great. It's always fun to chat outside the office.
Totally. Maybe we can talk more about that concert trip.
Haha, let's do that. Keep the dream alive.
You got it. Hey, I should probably get back to my desk now.
Yeah, me too. I've got a lot to prep for that meeting.
All right, catch you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too, David. See you around.
For sure. Don't work too hard.
I'll try not to. Take it easy.
Always do. Let's chat again soon.
Definitely. Good luck with those client calls.
Thanks. Good luck with your reports.
Appreciate it. See you at the coffee machine tomorrow?
You bet. I'll be here needing my coffee fix.
Haha, same. Take care.
You too. Let's crush it today.
Let's do it. See you later.
Later, keep up the good work.
You too. Talk soon.
For sure. Heading off to tackle those emails now.
Okay. I'm off to my meeting prep.
Cool. Have a productive day.
You too. See you around the office.
Yep, catch you later.
Later. Take it easy.
Always. See you at the next coffee break.
For sure. I'll be here.
Me too. Let's keep the good vibes going.
Definitely. Have a good one.
You too. Talk soon.
Yep. See you.
Hey, one last thing. Got any weekend plans yet?
Not really. Probably just relaxing at home.
Nice. I might catch up on some sleep.
Sounds like a plan. Work's been so busy.
Tell me about it. I'm always tired these days.
Same here. Coffee helps though.
Haha, true. Can't live without it.
Nope, it's a lifesaver.
For sure. All right, I'm off for real now.
Okay, see you later.
Later. Have a great day.
You too, take care.
Always do. See ya.
Bye, good luck today.
Thanks. Same to you.
Appreciate it. Talk tomorrow.
For sure. See you at the coffee spot.
Can't wait. Have a great day.
You too. Let's do this.
Let's go. See you soon.
Yep, take it easy.
You too. Bye for now.
Bye. See you around.
See you. Have a good one.
Always talk later.
Later, take care.
You too. See ya.
Bye, good day.
Same to you. Catch you later.
Later, see you.
Yep, have a good day.
You too, bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, take care.
You too later.
Later, have a great day.
You too. See ya.
See ya, bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.